Felipe Calderon was blunt. He condemned Arizona's tough new immigration law and said he's stepping up efforts to protect the rights of Mexicans living in the United States.
Those laws that focus on criminalizing migration in this way, which is a social and economic phenomenon, open the door to intolerance, hatred, and discrimination and abuse of law enforcement.
Calderon, who's been criticized for not taking a tougher stance against the bill, also said the U.S. economy wouldn't have prospered in the past and won't thrive again without the help of Mexican workers.
These are opportunistic laws moved clearly by electoral purposes that don't guarantee respect of the fundamental rights of the people.
The Arizona law makes it a crime to be an undocumented immigrant in the state and allows police to question anyone they suspect of being illegal about their immigration status. Those who can't produce papers face jail and a fine.
Main immigration reform.
The new law has sparked angry protests all over the U.S. by people who say it's a license for racial profiling.
We in the city and county of San Francisco want to send a very clear statement to the state of Arizona. There are consequences when you target a whole group of people, when you're essentially making it a criminal act to be undocumented, something that not even federal law does.
It's difficult to know what the Mexican president can do to influence laws in another country. Lawyers advocating against the bill hope the bad publicity being generated will have an effect on Arizona.
What I'm hoping is that when folks take a tangible step and let the state of Arizona know that there are going to be consequences for their actions, that their reaction will be to step back. Just like you saw with Arizona when 20 years ago they were an outlier in failing to recognize Martin Luther King Day.
In his speech, Calderon talked of trade and political ties with the U.S. being affected by Arizona's new bill, but gave no specific measures. In Mexico itself, there's pressure to boycott all trade with Arizona, though that seems difficult to achieve. More likely, Mr. Calderon, who's visiting Washington next month, will raise the issue with President Obama, hoping his words can at least stop other U.S. states from passing similar immigration laws to that in Arizona. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, Washington.